Dessert before lunch? I say yes, please. And you don't have to go camping to get this ooey gooey delicacy. All the familiar flavor of toasted marshmallow and melted chocolate rolled into a delicious pie. I'm with Chelsea Price. She's joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen to share her recipe for a s'mores pie. First of all, I'm a sucker for anything s'mores. Though that means summer is really coming.
I know.
Like it's really coming if we're talking about s'mores flavored desserts, you know?
I 100%, and I'm with you. S'mores it just has the nostalgia of summer, and like you said, no campfire included.
Such a brilliant combination.
Yeah.
Tipping our hats to whoever originated this idea. But you don't have to toast the marshmallows over a campfire. In fact, this is a no-bake pie.
This is no-bake, yeah. So it's just making a custard, basically, and it's just egg yolks. You're gonna have to temper the chocolate and like cook it back in your pot, but other than that, you don't have to bake it. You don't have to bake the crust. Nothing goes in the oven.
Okay.
Save yourself sweating in the kitchen.
There you go. You're thinking of all the angles. Well, let's go through it layer by layer. My first layer is the favorite layer, the graham.
Yes, graham cracker crust is a must, and you can top it with some graham cracker crumbles if you want, if you need that like extra, you know, the full effect.
So you've just done graham cracker, butter, sugar?
So there's no butter in here. So what we're doing is it's just egg yolks. So like I said, we're gonna make a custard. Egg yolks and sugar. I put some salt in here. You're just gonna whisk this up.
This is for the custard.
This is for the custard,
Okay,
yes.
but the graham cracker.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, excuse me.
Was just sugar, butter, graham?
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly. Push it into your pie tin.
Sorry, I'm fixated on the graham.
That's okay.
It's my favorite
we
part.
were there, and then I was like,
I'm
no,
sorry.
come over here with me.
She's like, come with me to Chocolate Land. And I'm like, okay, twist my arm.
Why not? Yeah. So, okay, like I said, we just mix this up in our bowl. We're gonna temper the chocolate, or temper the eggs, excuse me. So you're just gonna put a little bit of the chocolate in here.
And what kind of chocolate are you using?
So this is 2 cups of heavy cream and semi-sweet chocolate.
Okay.
And then, so you're just gonna temper the eggs, and then we're gonna end up putting it back into the pot to cook. We wanna get it up to temperature so that the eggs are fully cooked.
Okay.
At one point, you're gonna notice that the chocolate turns into a thick pudding-like mixture.
And that's what we want.
And that's what we want, yep. We're just gonna put this all back in. And you're just gonna, it's gonna cook on the stovetop for about 6 minutes.
Okay.
And I will say there is a tip with this. If you're finding that the heavy cream is splitting, so that means that you're getting that butter rising to the top.
Separation.
Yep, exactly. Take it off the heat, put it in, that means it's cooked, so you're good.
Okay.
Put it back in your bowl and just whip some air into it with your whisk or a hand mixer or whatever.
Okay.
So
You haven't ruined the batch.
You haven't ruined it, yeah.
Okay.
You're safe, you're good. You can definitely come back from this. But so this is too loose right now, but once it goes for about 6 minutes, it will get really thick like a pudding.
Like this becomes this?
Yes.
Amazing.
So this is the next step.
Don't you love when there's that little bit of science magic
Oh my
in the
gosh.
kitchen? Like however that liquid became this, I don't care, but I can't wait
It's
to
here,
eat it.
yeah, because look at how thick that is.
Nice.
So now you're at this like super thick consistency.
Right.
And then you can put it in to your pie tin. So this, this is from my batch that I did before. So I let this set in the refrigerator. And so now it's like super nice and thick. And we're just gonna put it in, excuse me.
Look at that.
And
Sorry, I'm
then, no,
cuddling.
you're okay. You're just excited about it.
I am, can you tell? It's everything we like about a dessert, plus without the fuss or mess of a hot kitchen.
Exactly. So we're just gonna put this in, and then you can top it with your marshmallows and toast it.
You know we're excited if we're already talking about, quote, hot kitchens in May. Like, oh,
it's already so hot.
Normally we wait until July, but like.
And then here we are. But now we were just complaining like a few weeks ago that it was too cold. When is spring gonna come? And now we're here and we're like, it's too hot.
Now we're so eager for the heat. Bring it on.
Exactly.
I mean, secretly we're thrilled.
Oh.
There's really no complaint.
Give
we're
me
thrilled.
all the sun, please.
Yes.
So you just put this in to however much you want, you know. It should make about 2 9-inch pies for you.
Nice, okay.
Or you can split it and do like little ones, and then it's totally up to you.
Nice.
And then you just top it with your marshmallows.
Okay.
And then we're gonna toast them.
Listen, I saw this gadget. I got extra excited. Excitement is the theme of the kitchen today because this feels like a little bit of DIY magic meeting the kitchen.
So you're just gonna make sure it's on, and then we're gonna turn up the
kitchen torch
and just toast
Go,
these
girl.
little marshmallows.
Isn't that satisfying?
It's so satisfying. And then you can just stick this back in your fridge till you're ready to serve it. So this is a on your terms kind of pie. And I was gonna say that you can blow that out for you.
Perfect.
You can let the custard set like I did before and then put it in whenever you're ready to serve. Or you can put it right into the pie after it's done like the pudding, and it'll set up for you and it'll be perfect.
In the crust?
In the crust, yeah.
Oh.
So either way, you can put it in the bowl, or just for transportation, I had it in the bowl so that I could show you. Yeah.
That makes sense, but it could chill in the fridge.
It can chill in the fridge
set
just like this.
torch the marshmallows,
Yep.
and you're ready to go. I love how you did some individual portions
Yeah.
too. That's a cute twist.
And it's just fun because then everybody can have their own little bite, right? And then you can just dig right in.
Are we gonna dig in?
Yeah, do you want to
Do
go
I get
ahead?
to dig in?
Yes, please
Was
do.
that an invitation? Because if so, I'm gonna
Yes.
accept it. I'm gonna take the invitation and I'm gonna run with the bite, and I'm so happy I did.
So
Ooh,
good.
that's a rich chocolate.
Yes, it's a very like deep, yummy chocolate. There's a little bit of salt in there, so you're getting a balance of flavors again.
Where did the salt come in?
So I put it in with the sugar.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, so whenever you're doing your custard, you have a little bit of salt in there
To
just
draw out that
Yep.
sweetness.
Yep,
Oh, Chelsea,
exactly.
thank you so much. A recipe
so
you're going to want to try and hang on to for the coming hot summer months ahead. We're so excited about this s'mores pie. You can find the recipe on our website. Where can we get more recipes from you, though?
Priceless Bakes everywhere, Instagram, TikTok, and my website is pricelessbakes.com.
Priceless Bakes. Is this
Yep.
one of your favorite seasons to bake in?
Yes, well, pretty much every season, but yes, the summer.
The gathering,
Yes,
the
the
flavors,
gathering.
we're here for it. We'll
Yep.
link you to Chelsea's website from ours as well. Thank
Yes.
you so much.
Thank you, thanks.